Alright guys, so in this video we'll be learning how to sort NumPy arrays. So this is tutorial number 14 in which we'll be gonna through that how can you can easily use a sort function that will sort all the elements of your 1D, 2D, 3D or any type of array. But if you haven't accessed this NumPy library playlist, access it, in which we have discussed a lot of things and we will be discussing and covering a lot of things of NumPy arrays, all the functions and usage while when you do a real world project in machine learning. So we will be using numpy and the array object function that is called sort that will sort the array. So let me import first, import numpy as np, then let me create here an array with the help of array function. So let's say we have array 0 4 5 2 3 9 at 7. We have this array and this array has a couple of elements but they are unsorted means they are randomly inserted. They may be ascending order, descending order, we don't know, but we want to sort it. So what I will do, I will simply use, I will create here another variable my arr in which I'll be say np dot sort and I'll pass the array that I want to sort. So after that I will print my arr. So as you can see here, let me zoom in a bit. Here you can see 0 2 3 4 5 7 8 9. So it has sorted these elements of the array. I can do the same thing like this. I'll simply say print after that np library and then sort function, then I'll pass the array, so it will do the same thing. Now the second example, sort the array alphabetically. So as you can see, we have this array. Let me insert other elements. As you can see, let's say egg, mango. So these are elements, these are string type array. Now what I want to sort all the elements. So let's say print np dot sort in which we'll pass this array. Now what it will do, so shift enter. As you can see, first apple, then banana, then cherry, then egg, then mango. Because in our original array we have first string, banana, okay, the second string is cherry, the third string is apple, and fourth egg, and fifth mango. But after using this sort function, it's returns all that strings in ascending order by using this sort function. So first will be apple because alphabetically A is the first character, B is the second character, C is the third character, E is the fourth character. So you can easily sort any type of array. Now it's time to sort boolean type array. So this is boolean type array, nothing is new, same method, sort pass arr. So it will sort false, true, true. Now this is the question is why it hasn't started from true. So this is the rule of boolean ascending order, that it will start from false, then it will be true. So if I insert here another false, then what will happen? Say and enter. As you can see, first false false, then true true. So this is the rule that it will start in ascending order from false while you want to sort the boolean type array. Now it's time to sort to the array. So very simple, the same method, you don't need to do anything new, it will do everything, do this sort function, just pass this arr, it will sort this one as well. As you can see here, 0 and 1 are in the second row, okay, and 2 is the first row. And after that, as you can see here, 2 3 4. Now it has first sorted this row, okay, the first row that is at index 0. In that the smallest element is 2, so it has started from 2, then 3, then 4. And in the second row that is at index 1, it has 0 is the smallest element, so it will start from 0, then again smallest, then again smallest, then again smallest, okay. So in that way you can easily sort any type of array. So the exercise is that you will have to be type in the below comment section, use the correct numpy method to return a sorted array. So here you have to put the correct method so that it can sort this array. So see you in the next video.